Your retirement nest egg is under attack, and you could be the main perpetrator. Today, we're uncovering 10 critical mistakes you could make that can threaten your hard-earned retirement nest egg. Whether you're planning to retire soon or already enjoying retirement, this video is a must-watch. The first is shifting from accumulation to preservation. As you approach retirement, the shift from accumulating assets to preserving what you've gathered is vital. Remember, retirement isn't about acquiring more, it's about enjoying and maintaining what you already have. Overlooking this can lead to financial strain. Consider the transition into retirement as a time to safeguard your assets against market volatility and unnecessary risks. It's about smart management and ensuring your investments align with a more conservative, preservation-focused strategy. This change in mindset is not just financial but also emotional, as it marks a new chapter in your life. Embracing this new phase requires a mindset focused on enjoying life's experiences rather than expanding possessions, prioritizing stability and security. The second pitfall is avoiding debt traps in retirement. Retirement means living on a fixed income for many. Using credit cards for significant expenses can lead to a debt spiral. It's essential to have an emergency fund and avoid the high interest that comes with credit card debt. Credit cards can be double-edged swords in retirement. While they offer convenience, their misuse can lead to a financial quagmire, especially when income sources become more limited. It's wise to adopt a cash-first approach for expenses, only using credit for planned purchases that can be promptly paid off to avoid interest accumulation. Developing a habit of prudent spending and budgeting can prevent debt from overshadowing your golden years' enjoyment and tranquility. A common danger that could impact your nest egg is balancing dining out and home cooking. While it's tempting to dine out frequently in retirement, it can quickly drain your funds. Balance is key. Reserve eating out for special occasions and embrace the joy of cooking at home. It's healthier for your body and your wallet. Home cooking not only saves money, but also allows you to control the nutritional content of your meals, which is crucial for maintaining good health in retirement. Moreover, cooking can become a delightful hobby or a reason to gather with family and friends, turning meal preparation into an enjoyable and fulfilling activity. This balance also fosters a healthier lifestyle, combining the social joys of dining out with the homely comfort of self-prepared meals. The fourth mistake is failing to harmonize retirement dreams with your partner. It's crucial to align your retirement vision with your partner. Differing expectations about retirement can lead to conflicts. Communication is the cornerstone of ensuring you both enjoy your retirement years in harmony. This process of aligning retirement goals isn't just about financial aspects, it's also about lifestyle choices, like where to live, how to spend time, and balancing individual needs with shared aspirations. Regular, open discussions can turn planning for retirement into an exciting journey that strengthens your relationship. Finding common ground in retirement plans ensures that this chapter of life is filled with shared joy and mutual fulfillment. Number 5. Pitfall is getting realistic financial planning. Underestimating financial needs in retirement is a common pitfall. It's crucial to have a clear, realistic view of your expenses and income. This foresight prevents unpleasant surprises and ensures a comfortable retirement. A detailed financial plan should account for inflation, healthcare costs, and unexpected expenses. Regularly updating your financial plan to reflect changes in the economy and your personal life ensures that you're always prepared. It's about creating a financial roadmap that adapts to your evolving retirement journey. An accurate and comprehensive financial plan is the cornerstone of a worry-free retirement, providing a clear path for your golden years. Another pitfall is not understanding long-term care costs. Many retirees overlook the potential need for long-term care. These costs can be substantial, so it's important to plan ahead. Consider long-term care insurance to protect your savings from unexpected health expenses. Planning for long-term care is not just about covering potential costs, it's also about peace of mind. Knowing that you have a plan in place can alleviate stress and allow you to enjoy your retirement years more fully. It's a crucial part of ensuring that your retirement years are as comfortable and worry-free as possible. Preparing for these expenses ensures that you can enjoy your retirement without the looming worry of unmanageable healthcare costs. Next, are you consulting a financial advisor? Navigating retirement finances can be complex. Speaking with a financial advisor can provide clarity and help in making informed decisions about your retirement savings, taxes, and investments. A financial advisor can offer tailored advice based on your unique financial situation, help you navigate market changes, and ensure your investment strategy aligns with your retirement goals. Their expertise can be invaluable in making the most of your retirement savings and avoiding common financial pitfalls. And their insights can be pivotal in navigating the financial complexities of retirement, ensuring your savings work effectively for your future. Another common mistake retirees make is not adapting financial habits post-retirement. Retirement might require altering your spending habits. Continuing to spend as you did during your working years can lead to financial strain. Embrace a budget that reflects your current income and lifestyle. It's about embracing a new financial identity that reflects your current stage of life. This might include downsizing, finding new ways to enjoy hobbies that are more budget-friendly, or even turning a hobby into a source of income. Adapting your financial habits can lead to a more fulfilling and sustainable retirement, and it can lead to a financially sustainable lifestyle that then leads to a more relaxed and enjoyable post-working life experience. The ninth pitfall is steering clear of scams. Retirees are often targets for financial scams. Stay informed and skeptical of offers that seem too good to be true. Protect your hard-earned money by being cautious and verifying any suspicious claims. Educating yourself about the latest scam tactics and maintaining a healthy skepticism about unsolicited offers are key defenses. Regularly reviewing and monitoring your financial accounts can also help you spot and address any suspicious activities early, safeguarding your assets against fraudulent threats. Being vigilant and informed can help you protect your retirement savings from scammers' evolving tactics and deceptive practices. Finally, be prepared with your tax planning in retirement. Efficient tax planning can significantly impact your retirement funds. Understanding how to manage your taxes in retirement can save you money and protect your nest egg. Don't underestimate this aspect of financial planning. Effective tax planning involves understanding the tax implications of withdrawals from different retirement accounts, the timing of Social Security benefits, and potential state taxes. This strategic approach can significantly extend the longevity of your retirement savings, ensuring you make the most of every dollar you've saved. Strategic tax planning is essential for maximizing your retirement income and ensuring that your savings last throughout your retirement years. Remember, knowledge is your best defense against these common pitfalls. Stay informed and proactive in managing your retirement finances. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to The Smart Retiree for more tips on securing a comfortable and enjoyable retirement. Thanks for watching.